First of all, broad agreement around the table that the rule of law is a common interest and a common responsibility of institutions and member states. I think this is a very strong starting point to solve issues, if there are issues in this field. Secondly, a strong urge from a broad majority of member states that we should continue our efforts to have a dialogue with the Polish authorities to come to a solution of the outstanding issues. And thirdly, also the Council said very clearly it would like to be kept abreast of any developments in this area. Now, I shall concentrate my efforts, certainly after having heard this discussion, on trying to find a solution for the outstanding issues. I believe solutions can be found, and I have the impression that the Polish government is now open for a dialogue about this, and we will see how we can try and bring this issue forward. It is very clear that the issue of the rule of law, the separation of powers, is something that all member states feel strongly about, and that gives me the possibility to try and assure that we have no misunderstandings and that we have no developments that go in a direction that would not be in line with the necessity to have a separation of powers and a full respect of the rule of law. Thank you.
Thank you, Anna Słowska, Polish Daily Rzeczpospolita. Vice President, what makes you think that the Polish government is now open for a dialogue for the solution of this problem? As we know, it all started in January 2016, and up to now you were not very positive about it.
I've just come from the Council, where everybody urged us to rekindle the debate. And the discussions and the dialogue. So I hope that this would also incentivize both the Commission and the Polish government to try and find new ways forward. But obviously, we can only find ways forward if there's a willingness also to look into the recommendations the Commission has put on the table. But let's wait and see, and perhaps you could also ask the Polish government about its vision about that.